Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. This is another video on our content writing job series. So if you're not sure about what I'm talking, it is a job series playlist that I have created where I'm posting a lot of videos on content writing jobs. So this is another video on that. Today we'll be talking about writermag.com. So this is a website. It's all-in-one website for improve your writing skills. As you can see on the tab on top of this website, it's like one place for publishing your articles, or you can improve your articles. You can submit your articles for editing work, which will you have to pay, and they will edit your article, and you'll be getting a nice professional article. So this video is not going to be about that, but I'll show you how to earn money from this website. Now this is the one short easy way to earn money from it. If you really love writing, if you are actually passionate about writing, now this is for you. The contest is where you're going to actually earn money. Now find a writing contest. There is also other things like guide to summer writing, winter writing, or actually you can yourself post a contest if you wish. So we are not going to look at that. We are just going to look at the contest tab where there are so many contests. You can earn money. Now currently when I'm actually recording this video, I saw a lot of interesting contests. This is one main contest which is actually hosted by the writer, this website host. So it's around like 100-word contest. I will be briefing about all of these contests that I feel which is actually really good, that you have to try participating. And also I will leave the link below in the description as usual, so if you wish you can check it out, this website, and try writing for this contest. And also, I have to inform you guys that not all tests are actually free. Like you have to pay some entry fee. Some will be free, but some will have some entry fee. Some will be around $100, or some will be just $10 or $15. So you can choose according to your wish. But if you have actually a great skill in writing, then you should try this one. Now as you can see, this 100-word contest is something like you have to completely fiction or a non-fictional story. So this story will be awarded $1,000, and it will also be published in a magazine where you can actually get a lot of eyeballs on it. So by that way, your name will be getting, a lot of people will be knowing about you. So that is another advantage. But this deadline is around October 6th, I think. When this video comes live, the deadline must have crossed, but that's fine guys, because there are so many contests available here. Like thousands and thousands of contests are here, and so many contests I have seen here are free. See, as you can see, we are just in page number 1. Within that itself I was able to see more than 15 contests. So there are a lot of contests to participate according to your interest, cost of the competition, and also the prize money that you will be winning once you have got selected from this. Now before moving on, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel, because I will be uploading a lot of videos on earning money online, and also more about finance and saving, investing, money related topics. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now this is the 100-word contest. These are all contests that our writer mag is actually hosting. So if you are interested, you can submit your entry. Now see, as I have already told you, there are few contests that are free, and also some are like with entry fees. Now this one is around $10, I think. You have to read the guidelines, because that is really important. The guidelines is what is going to tell you how the content should be, and how you should format it, and how the entry should have all the aspects of the entry. Now these are all the submitting guidelines, because they will be telling you how and when and what you should do, where you should submit, and how you should have aligned it, bordered, everything. Like they would have given you like all about the submission questions. Beyond that, if you still have some questions, that you can actually ask them through the query session. Now read all of these things. I don't think all the submission guidelines will be so long with more than 50 or 100 pages, so it will be very less within 2 pages. You can try reading it out. And as you can see, here they have given it as entry fee as $10, including all the processing fee and everything. So they have also mentioned it as it should not be emailed or physically mailed. It should be submitted under the submittable button. We have seen that red button in the starting of the page, right? So there you have to click it and submit your entry. Now and these also has a 100 word or less restriction. So some might have and some might not have. So read all the guidelines, prepare your entry for that. So yeah guys, so that's all about this video. Enter the contest. Some will give you the opportunity to give more than one entries, so use those opportunities, try earning money. If you like these kind of videos, tell me in the comments below so that I will publish a lot of videos on this topic. So that's all about the video guys. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.